Hey guys, welcome back to the BeDistinct quarter. I know you guys were not expecting me today because I told you guys in my community that I was not gonna post today and I was gonna post on Saturday because I got late, which I did. It's actually 11 p.m. right now. It's pretty late. Anyways though, if you guys are new to the channel and you guys are interested in content about my supercharged G35, feel free to click that subscribe button and feel free to leave a comment down below if you have any questions about G35 or VQ engines. I'll try my best to help you out. With that being said though, for those of you guys who are interested in what happened, basically
I get out of work at 5, right? I come home and I was gonna film, right? But what happened is that at the end of my shift, my boss said, hey, do you want to come to one of my clients that I did a refinance? You want to come to his house? This guy owns a $1 million property, right? And dude, his house is absolutely insane. Motivates me to just get there, man. Awesome dude too, man. Oh my god, everything's awesome. Anyways,
let's get back to the video. Let's get back on track to the point of the video. On a real note though, top 3 mods that I feel that you should buy to increase your safety, that I felt more safe in the vehicle. I've had the car for about 3 years and these top 3 mods, man, they're a must, bro. They're a must. You can't not get these mods. Like, you have to get these mods. All right guys, I'm taking my super lamp with me. Let's go here underneath the car. Okay, that's better. Do you guys see that red bar right there? I know you guys see it. That is a front sway bar. And you guys see that back one over there, that red bar? That is a rear sway bar. Oh, so those 2 front and rear sway bars are known as none other than the Hotchkis sway bar set. First, I'm gonna tell you the literal definition of what it does, and then I'll tell you my personal experience with them and how it has saved me a couple times.
a rear sway bar is a component of a vehicle suspension system that creates more stiffness as you drive. The stiffer your suspension is, the less roll you'll feel when you turn your car, and the more stable your vehicle will be overall.
So quick translation of what that means and how it has affected me and how I feel more safe with that is that I want you to go to your Honda, your Prius, your any ordinary car, right? Go in it and do like a sharp turn. Your body's like, you turn left, your body's gonna like go to the car, right? But with this, you can take a sharp right turn and you're middle, you're centered with the car and you feel like you are the car. Like, you turn right, you're turning right, you turn left, you're turning left. Like, if you guys haven't been go-kart racing, go drive a go-kart. That's what's having max rear sway bar settings, bro. Like, that's what it has been when I installed these sway bars, man. I'm telling you, this has saved my life. There's moments, literally like 2 weeks ago, I was about to hit this guy. Let's bleep. Hey, production, can we bleep? For real though, there was this guy who just decided to cross the light on a green light. It was my green light. Why is he crossing the middle of the road? Anyways, that's beyond the point. I had to do a little whoop whoop, you know, when you're going straight and then you gotta go whoop whoop. Some of the cars, you'll do that and you'll lose control. Some even may tumble. Like, I don't even know how that would happen, but anyways, some you do a squiggle or something like that and you'll lose control. But when you do that with this car, it feels like you are in full control of the car. Turns, like, you know, you see those signs, please take this turn at 25 miles per hour. You can take that on this like 70 miles per hour. Like, it just feels really planted and safe, man. They are a little bit expensive. The set to me was around $800, $810 for both front and back. And when I ordered it, it was back ordered. So just be aware of it. It is a little bit expensive, $800 for both, but well worth it. All right, y'all, here we go. We're gonna keep these rolling. Mod number 2 that you must have, bro. I almost appreciate this mod as much as the first one. Like, they're either even or maybe even more with this one. I think this one you can definitely get more use out of it. And if you don't have one, I know they're expensive, but like, you have to get it. Like, 1, it looks good, and 2, it actually has a function. Like, it's really gonna save your life. Like, no kidding. I am talking none other than that big, beautiful brake kit in the back. Are you kidding me? Does it not look good? Does it not look good? Let's go to the back. Like, does it not look good? Look at that big brake kit. Like, are you kidding me? That is gorgeous. I believe the standard brakes are 2 piston or even 1 piston, I think. I'm not too sure on that, but these are 4 piston. You have more braking power. It brakes a lot harder and faster. You're not out there, you know, doing big races and tracks and, you know, doing all that shenanigans. But honestly, guys, This has been a lifesaver to me. Sometimes I need to do a sudden stop. Sometimes, I mean, since my car is boosted, I do like to speed a little bit because it's fun, right? Or I'll go like 0 to 80 like whoop fast, and then like a car in front of me suddenly stops so fast, I gotta put that braking power to use, and it stops the car, no problem. So this is my best friend so far. Best friend number 1, Akebono Big Brake Kit. You can get it on Z1. They're starting around $1,900, $1,900, and with options and other different type of rotors, you can go up to 2,000 plus. But you can find them used for like 1,000 for all of them, or maybe 500 for just the calipers. Like, there's some deals out there, used deals out there that you can definitely get. But if you want them brand new, 2,000 bucks. But oh my god, they are so worth it. Alright guys, we're gonna move on to item number 3, the last thing on this list that I feel you must have. Like, you already have it, but a lot of people change it. So I'm here to kind of reiterate to not do it. I don't know, it's just a personal opinion at this point. But basically, the third thing on this list that I want to reiterate, the mod. It's not really a mod because you already have it, and I'm talking none other than the steering wheel. I understand that you guys got like gnarly wheels, NRG wheels, you know, wheels that, you know, you can remove and click in and it does a little ding, you know, like it sounds beautiful, guys. But God forbid you don't get in an accident, first of all, right? I wish the best for all of you guys, and I do not wish nothing bad upon none of you guys. But you know, shit happens, accidents happen. God forbid you get in a huge impact and your head goes bam, you're gonna hit this freaking steering wheel, bro. That steering wheel is not gonna deploy because it has no airbag, and you can crack your skull. You can get a ridiculous crazy concussion. Like your damage can be so much worse if you just had an airbag. With that being said, this is also just another personal opinion. I like OEM wheels with carbon touches. If you get an OEM wheel with like your carbon touch right here, carbon touch right there, like it looks beautiful, guys. It looks beautiful, and you get to keep the safety feature with just the airbag, man. So like, don't put your life in danger. I get it, it may look good, the suede quick release steering wheel, it's the thing, right? But think about your safety too, guys. So like, think about it, man. Like, just add some carbon to it and keep the airbag, man. It'll look just as nice, if not even nicer, guys. Those are the top 3 mods that I feel shouldn't be incorporated in your car, okay? And I'm gonna throw a bonus on here. This is just a bonus that I honestly feel it felt a lot better. You don't necessarily need to get this, but it's just a bonus that I want to throw on there. If it's rainy in your area, do not get slicks. Do not get slicks. So tires impacts your safety a lot too, okay? Get the appropriate wheels for the appropriate season. Like, it's also one of those things where like it should click in your damn head, right? And the second thing I want to mention is just a couple things, right? Diff bushings, rear subframe collars, and that differential brace. All those 3 combined together make your rear end of your G35 stiff. You get to reduce wheel hop, and it just makes your rear end of the G35 feel stable, strong, secure, and it's one of the best feelings ever. It makes you feel so much safer. It makes you handle the car much better, and it's one of those package deals that just has helped me feel better as a driver when I'm driving this car. Let's see what TikTok said. Brakes, okay, we covered that. Roll cage, oh, that's a new one. And tires, we covered tires. He said not getting a quick release is the best safety mod. Yep, we covered that one. I agree with you, brother. Fire extinguisher for show. That's 2 for fire extinguisher. Tires. That's 2 for tires. Honestly, mine are roll cage, harness, and brakes. Okay, that's 2 for roll cage. Pretty sweet. Good brake calipers. Okay, big brake kit. Decent tires. That's 3. Okay, not deleting the airbag on steering wheel. That's 2 for that. So the big winner here in TikTok seems to be the big brake kit, guys. I'm so glad that you guys are aware that the big brake kit saves lives, man. Yes, guys, these top 3 mods will not fail you. I certify them as the best safety mods. But if for whatever reason you think I am wrong, I want you to go down to the comment section and let me know what are the top 3 safety mods for you. Hope you guys learned something, and with that being said, I'll catch you guys next episode. Stay safe, amigos. Be distinct. You guys already know. Peace.